Okay, it's called News Caustic. It's a new show which apparently we'll be doing. I've just found out about it, so I'll tell you more in detail later. This is just a preview, and it's hopefully going to be like spoofs and roasts and things like that, spinning news stories. A show similarly was done some time ago, but this is a rehash of that show. It'll be a little different as well. So please don't clap. Coming soon on TV9 is News Caustic. The title is given by Varun Da himself, so please appreciate that, if nothing else. Varun Da, are you here? He's not here at his own function. Who's going to pay the bills? All right, guys, thank you. There's lots more coming on. We'll go back to our regular anchors. The anchor doesn't know what's happening, no problem. We've got this lovely gentleman. Off you go.
Cyrus, thank you so much. I can't let you go. You've got to tell us about the show. Guys, this is a news show that Cyrus is doing on our channel on News 9. He can't just say it's a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. It's a Cyrus Brocha film. We've got to hear at least a little bit from him on what this is about. Come on. Let's do it for Cyrus.
If you've heard of this very famous leading philosopher Kunal Kamra, suddenly there's silence.
That's Cyrus Brocha for you. Let's hear it for Cyrus Brocha.
Well, it's not going to be like that, I can tell you, because we don't have enough security at TV9, so we can't afford all that. It's going to be a vegetarian, almost Jain-like version at the moment of a show which looks at the news from different angles and perspectives. But we're going to be very kind to governments, we're going to be very kind to opposition, we're going to be very kind to international people. So at the moment, our show is going to be, we're targeting 4 to 7-year-olds. But we'll see how it goes from here. But that's it at the beginning.
So Cyrus, I need to ask you, it's News Caustic, it's a news channel. You're not unfamiliar with news channels. You've done shows for them earlier. Who's going to be at the receiving end of most of your sarcastic news caustic jokes?
No, but luckily we live in a country and a world where there's enough stuff going on, but you don't even have to actually spin the news very often. You just have to show it the way it is. So not a big problem. Like apparently the other day in Uttar Pradesh, I don't know why it always happens in UP for some reason, there was a procession of 14 people with a dead body, and then as they put the body down, he got up and just walked off. This can only happen in India. So many questions. When did he exactly die? Why didn't anyone notice? Etc., etc., etc. So we'll try and look at all kinds of different stories. Some of them relevant, some a little irreverent, and we'll see where it goes from there. But as of now, we're looking for actors. The payments are, well, we'll give you conveyance and one patata vada. But we'll work on contracts and negotiations later. So if you know anyone who's willing to work for free, and especially the other gender, because I've got too many men working with us, and that's the capacity is done. So any females who would like to be on TV9 and launch their career and become the next Priyanka Chopra or Anusha Sharma or whoever the big star is today, this is your opportunity. Girls, anyone?
Neelam? Come on, let's actually get this multicultural initiative going. Let's have participation from India, from UAE, and build this beautiful property together. Well, of course, Cyrus said that anybody who wants to work for free, welcome to the world of news television.
Tell them the truth, there will be equity given to you as well. TV9 will be owned by you people and 80% by females. This is your only chance. He's suddenly swallowing.
No stakes. But yeah, I think I'll come back to the fact that he said work for free. Well, welcome to the world of news media.
You're kidding around, but we did the other show on the other channel, which rhymes with PNN, IV, and we used a lot of people without paying them. So pull that off for 16 years and 8 months. So I like that philosophy. People come and go, you just put them in for a few minutes and off you go. Exploitation in a way, but yeah.
So I want the audience to weigh in, I think, for the pilot episode when Cyrus launches it on our channel. Who should the first story feature? Should it be Donald Trump? Show of hands. Only 2 people?
Yeah, I can't do Donald Trump because my sister's married to an American, so that's too dangerous. I don't want her coming back. She has to stay in Pittsburgh. So Donald Trump, no way. Center, I cannot touch because I have family in Gujarat. So cannot go there. Opposition, I'm related to Rahul Gandhi because he's quarter Parsi. Cannot go there. So we're going to start with this Ghatkopar swimming championships. And we're going to end with the dead body that woke up in UP. And maybe we'll go to the Kumbh next time. That's 10 years away. So let's see.
All right, a trip to the moon. Okay, sure. Let's start with that and then figure out where the show goes from here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Cyrus Brocha.